Pakistan is the land of opportunities, and Balochistan, the largest province of Pakistan, now offers an opportune time for all to invest, grow and flourish. Gwadar is a game changer for a progressive Pakistan. While traveling to Gwadar from Karachi, we go through the exciting Makran Coastal Highway alongside the most scintillating coastline. The historic Chandra Group mud volcanoes located in the Hingold National Park, Kund Malir and the Princess of Hope. Gwadar Development Authority was established in October 2003 for strategic development of the city. The advent of industries in the Aramco oil city will bring a huge boost to the local fishing and boat-making industries. Gwadar Development Authority has prepared the master plan for Gwadar Smart Port City. The master plan incorporates progressive, economic and environmental elements that set the foundation of Gwadar Smart Port City as a marvel of modern vitality and sustainable convenience. At the heart of the Smart Port City is the core element of the master plan, the Central Business District, or CBD. The CBD aims to transform this region into a hub of commerce, leisure, living and culture. Gwadar Smart Port City CBD will encourage the speedy development of business and industry in the region as a whole. The region will be brought alive with amenities such as cafe, bars, hotels, restaurants, commercial and financial centers, high-end residential units, shopping centers, civic centers, tertiary hospitals, modern universities, government administrative enclaves and public places such as museums, theatres, parks, aquariums, golf courses, marina clubs and indoor stadiums at par with international standards. Gwadar Smart Port City is a game changer for Pakistan. The Gwadar CBD will be the economic backbone of the region. Towards the endeavour, we are grateful to the visionary leadership of the Chief Minister of Balochistan, Mr. Jam Kamal Khan, who is so deeply involved in taking Balochistan to new heights of advancement and prosperity. Having his astute leadership to guide us with his vision, direction and support, we will make Balochistan the pride of Pakistan.